Welcome to DIY Creations, where we'll guide you through the enchanting world of mini macrame. Follow these simple steps to craft your own tiny treasures for your home. Step 1. Choose your project. Decide what you'd like to create. Popular mini macrame projects include plant hangers, keychains, coasters, and wall hanging. Select a project that matches your skill level and interest. Step 2. Gather your supplies. After choosing your project, gather your supplies. You'll need macrame cord. Choose a thickness that suits your project. Scissor, a wooden dowel or ring for hanging projects, and any decorative elements you would like to incorporate. Step 3. Prepare your workplace. Find a comfortable and well lit area to work in. Lay down a clean surface to prevent tangling and ensure you have enough space to maneuver your cord. Step 4. Learn the basic knots. Familiarize yourself with the basic macrame knots like the square knot, the luck's head knot, and the half hitch knot. These knots form the foundation of mini macrame and will be used in most projects. Step 5. Follow along the tutorials. Utilize online tutorial books or instructional videos to guide you through the specific steps of your chosen project. Pay close attention to the knotting techniques and follow each step carefully. Step 6. Practice patience. Macrame requires a bit of patience and precision. Take your time with each knot, ensuring they are tight and secure. Don't be discouraged if it takes a few tries to get the hang of it. Practice makes perfect. Step 7. Add personal touches. Get creative and add your own personal touches to your mini macrame creations. Incorporate beads, charms, or colored cord to customize your project and make it truly unique. Step 8. Finish with care. Once you have completed your project, trim any excess cord and secure the ends to prevent unraveling. If you are making a hanging piece, attach it to a wooden dowel or ring for display. And the final step, display and enjoy. Hang your mini macrame creation in your home or give it as a thoughtful handmade gift to a friend or loved one. Admire your handiwork and bask in the satisfaction of creating something beautiful with your own hands. Remember, practice and experimentation are key to mastering the art of mini macrame. So, don't be afraid to try new techniques and let your creativity shine. And don't forget to subscribe DIY Creations for more inspiring videos.